ChatGPT just added a brand new feature. You can now create group chats with friends and collaborate together. Here's how to do it step by step. First, make sure your ChatGPT app is updated to the latest version. Next, open the app and tap the Group Chat button in the top right corner. Then tap Set up your profile. You can add a display name, username, and even a profile photo. Once you're done, tap Save Profile, then tap Start Group Chat. To invite friends, tap Invite with Link and choose how to share it. You can send it through text, email, or social media. Each ChatGPT group chat can include up to 20 people, and everyone can chat with each other. Plus, ChatGPT can join in to help brainstorm ideas, plan trips, or work on projects together. Your private chats with ChatGPT stay separate and aren't shared in group conversations. You can also leave a group anytime you want. And that's it. You've just created your own ChatGPT group chat. If this helped, tap like, comment if you've tried it, and subscribe for more AI and tech tutorials.